Medical revocation doesn't mean the end of driving. It means you need specialist interpretation of DVLA standards, not guesswork from generalists. Most doctors excel at treatment. Few specialise in UK fitness to drive standards. MFTDC delivers that exact expertise. GMC-registered specialists who decode medical licensing requirements. Secure video consultation from your home. 20 minutes with a specialist who knows Group 1 and Group 2 requirements inside out. We identify exactly what medical evidence DVLA requires for your condition. One proper submission beats 6 months of rejected paperwork. We know the exact thresholds. Book your MFTDC e-Consultation today. Specialist clinical insight that gets you back on the road safely and legally.